where and when the symbol hits should be. Take the elevator every now and then. She offers me a lemon now and later. Please don't play the matchmaker, please don't be a player hater. If you dig her recent work, then you should go congratulate her. And if you're